Hello everyone, I am Gridlock Cosplay and this is the first video in a series for my new build. For those of you old enough to know what Mechwarrior is, this might look a little bit familiar. This is my first concept drawing, just a front and a side of the machine that I want to build. And the way it works here is, I don't know if you can see this outline, is that I am here, I am inside, I am the machine, and then one of my daughters is the pilot sitting on a chair in the front. And I am ready to get started on this. I have a whole bunch of schematics that I have built and lots of papers around here. I just got some PVC pipe that I'm going to start piecing together to do a test to make sure that I can feasibly make the chair. And I've already, like I said, I've already sized everything out, and I've got just enough material to make this chair to see if if it first of all will support the pilot's weight, and that I'll be able to carry it. Now it is going to be on a big frame. I can show you the schematic in a minute here, and this is basically either a test if it fails, or it is the beginning of the build of the costume if it is successful. And yeah, like I said, I'm really excited about this entire build. I can already see the full thing in my mind, and I'm super stoked about it. We'll see if that lasts throughout the entire build. And I have 5 months to do this for the Edmonton Comic Expo 2018. Well, if you see me there, if you only see this video and you see me there, you'll know it was a success. And but let's get started on this terrific build. I'm going to show you the schematic here. All right, this is what I'm calling a perspective 2-scale schematic. And let's see, this is going to be the canopy, so of course I put it up there. This is what I'm going to be building today. We've got the base of the chair. So the pilot seat right there. One of the pipes comes down here with some elbows to go down, and this is the footrest, and that'll be expanded a bit more. There's also going to be a support coming back up to this corner, and then of course the back itself. This piece, this funny looking piece here, is this right here. This is showing the back of the machine. There's a lot of pipe that's going to go into this. Fortunately, it is not very expensive. And then the canopy itself is looking like this. It's going to be coming down. I'm going to do a bit of a curve. We'll have some control consoles on there, a joystick sticking up. There's a lot to do. One of the neatest tools I've ever had. So now I'm sanding the edges a little bit, because when you make the cut, it actually causes them to push out a little bit, and so they don't like to go in nicely, and they won't come out if you need them to. This is turning out a little bit bigger than I thought it was. All right, there it is. Now I did use screws for this. I will be putting in bolts, but this is mostly just for the test purposes. And it's looking pretty solid. For some reason I measured, or I calculated wrongly with this, but that's okay. I've got the chair, and I just have to figure out something to put across there temporarily, probably just a piece of wood, to get the girls to test it and see if it fits. Sit down, and there, put your feet down. There we go. Okay. There it is. Wiggle around a bit. Okay. You're the heavy one. There, is that better? All right, so I call that a successful test. I am just going to keep on building from what I have there, building uh, the main frame that goes around the chair, and then the rest of the chassis as well. That's all going to get built, and then we'll start putting some other things on. But that is in the next video.